Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add calendar widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. So at first just touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can find widgets option. Just tap on widgets. From here scroll down a bit, then just tap on calendar. And here it is. Here you can find so many kinds of calendar widget, and you can add any calendar widget on the home screen as you like. Suppose if you want to add this calendar widget to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen, and that's it. You can see the calendar widget has been added successfully. Now if you want to customize your widget, just touch and hold it, then just tap on settings option, and that's it. From here you can change your background color. You can choose light or dark, but I suggest you to set match phone settings. From here you can increase or decrease your transparency, and from here you can enable or disable your background. Then just tap on save, and it's done. And that is how you can add calendar widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.